Hey everyone, I will introduce the Wells Fargo credit cards with this video. As you know, Wells Fargo is the most popular, uh, is one of the most popular banks in the USA. There are many types of credit cards of Wells Fargo, and one of them is active cash card, and you can earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on your purchases with this card. And you can get welcome offer. You can earn 200 cash rewards bonus when you spend $500 in purchase in the first 3 months, and also 0% intro APR for the 15 months from account opening on your purchases and qualifying balance transfers. So 19.99% and 24.99% or 29.99% variable APR thereafter, and balance transfers made within 120 days qualify for intro rate and fee. So if you want to have Wells Fargo active cash card, you need to apply this red button, and the other credit card is Build MasterCard. This card is a credit card that lets you earn points on rent and more. So there is no annual fee for this card, and you can 2 times points on travel, 3 times points on dining, and you can earn double points on the first of each month, that is 6 times points on dining. And also you can have this card. You need to click apply now link here. And the third credit card issued by Wells Fargo is autography card, and you can get 3 times points for many ways to keep life in motions. For example, you can earn 20,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 in purchase in the first 3 months, and there is no APR for 12 months from account opening on purchases. And you can apply the red link on the right side of Wells Fargo photography card here. And the other one is Reflect card, and you can enjoy your lowest intro APR for 21 months, and there is no intro APR for 21 months from account opening on purchase and qualifying balance transfers, and also 17.99% and 24.49% or 29.74% variable APR thereafter, and balance transfers made within 120 days from account opening qualify for the introductory rate. So, and I want to talk about my later video about Wells Fargo. I want to introduce the Choose Privileges MasterCard credit card and Choose Privileges Select MasterCard later. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and see you. Bye.